Located in a boutique complex, within walking distance to Minto station, shops and all amenities, this townhouse will tick all your boxes. Let's take it through.
Now that I've found you, I don't want no one else. It's our story to tell.
With high ceilings, natural sunlight ducted throughout and tiles, this one is ready for you to move in.
I don't have to pretend. Everything just makes sense. A change in the reason.
With the biggest backyard in the block, heaps of natural sunlight, this is perfect for the entertainer. Look forward to seeing you at my next open home.